A bill of lading serves 2 or 3 primary purposes. It's evidence of a contract for carriage of goods between the shipper and the transportation company. It serves as a receipt issued by the carrier upon taking possession of the goods, and it may serve as a document of title for the goods. I'll explain this in more detail and show you how you can quickly create bills of lading. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our videos sharing practical advice for exporters and importers. A bill of lading is usually issued at the point your goods are loaded on the means of transport. Depending on the route you must take to get your goods to the final destination, you may therefore get multiple bills of lading. These include a straight bill of lading, which is used when your customer has already paid for the goods, a to-order bill of lading, which is typically a negotiable document that allows ownership of the goods to be transferred to another party when signed on the back. They may be used in conjunction with a letter of credit. An inland bill of lading, which is often the first bill of lading that is issued for shipments by rail or road to move the goods to the final port of departure. An ocean bill of lading, which is used for goods being transported by an ocean vessel. It authorizes the holder of the bill of lading or another party to take possession of the goods. An ocean bill of lading can be a straight bill of lading or a to-order bill of lading. An airway bill is the equivalent of an ocean bill of lading, but it is used for air transport. In addition, unlike the ocean bill of lading, an airway bill can never be negotiable. A multimodal bill of lading may be used when there are various methods of transport required to move your goods to their final international destination. When used, it replaces the need for separate bills of lading for each leg of the journey. Shipping Solutions export documentation and compliance software makes it easy to create more than 24 standard export forms, including various bills of lading. With Shipping Solutions, you don't need to keep entering the same information over and over again on the various forms. Instead, you can enter the contact, product, and shipment information just once, and the software puts the right information on the right export forms in the right format, allowing you to create those documents up to 5 times faster than you do it now. Once you've imported or entered all your shipping information into Shipping Solutions, you can preview, print, and email your documents right from the software. Click here to watch a free demo of the software, or click the link in the description below to schedule a free live demo of the software. Don't worry, there's no obligation. And to learn more about export documentation and compliance, subscribe to this channel and to our free international trade blog, Passages, linked below.